Today we embark on an epic quest to find the one of many products that you're going to sell on Amazon to start making your money-making machine that will have you fist-pumping and booty-shaking all the way to the bank. But first, we'll have a look at our local brick-and-mortar shop where the true treasure lies. Get ready to join the adrenaline-fueled journey and the thrilling world of retail arbitrage. And that's not all. I'm throwing in a special bonus. So stay tuned as I reveal the secret on how to get Amazon to rotate the buy box in your favor.
Wow!
Let's do this! First, you gotta get Keeper, which is the most powerful tool that an Amazon seller can go and use. But be careful. There are other programs out there that are claiming to be Keeper that will charge you for a lot more. So make sure to use the right one. I will include a link below, which is the correct version, which is a paid tool, which will give you all the information to make the correct decision on all your products. The next tool you'd want to use to make a good decision is Zen or Profit Protector Pro, which will give you a quick view to analyze the product. And finally, you'll need your phone to take pictures of potential products to review at home. Now, to find that potential winner, don't just scan by the barcode. Scan by the name on Amazon. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on all those great listings that haven't been set up with the UPC. Once you've found a product that looks really good, you want to go and check the history on Keeper. If it's been consistently selling well with a good amount of sellers and a good price that hasn't been fluctuating too much, then you're in business. And now this is where the real magic starts. Add the product to your inventory and only buy a few. Why, you ask? Well, you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. Or in this case, you don't want to put all your money in one product. So the idea is, for any reason, if Amazon jumps on the listing, someone price drops the product, Amazon discontinues the ASIN, that it won't have a big effect on you. You'll be able to adjust with minimal loss and go and sell it on Facebook or eBay to make back some of your money. You'll send in just 3 to 8 units just to test the waters, to make sure it sells and how often it sells. And you can always send in more if it sells even more than you're expecting. And don't forget to set the price just right. We don't want it too high, we don't want it too low. We want it to be just in the middle. Just like Goldilocks, looking for the perfect porridge. We want to find a nice sweet spot. Now, you've probably seen those investing gurus. I sold this item on Amazon and I made millions of dollars. You can be like that too. It's called private label. Well, let me tell you, that is not the norm. Those gurus are probably laughing all the way to the bank. While you're stuck with a garage full of yoga mats. But fear not, my friends. With a little bit of investment in your products, in the supplies to send in your shipments, and the programs I suggested, you'll be able to grow a little bit of money to an empire. And the more money you invest in yourself in the beginning, the faster it grows. So forget about private label for now and grow your capital, your knowledge, and your history with Amazon. Once you've achieved successes, we can get into the good stuff like private label, wholesale, KDP, and a whole lot more. And here's the bonus tip for you. When the product gets into Amazon and it's available to sell on Amazon, play with the price a little bit, just up and down by a few pennies. Make sure to always go up and down, not just down. You'll notice that Amazon will start giving you the buy box way more often. You see, this signals to Amazon that you're an active seller, and the algorithm rewards you with more chances at the buy box. That's why reprices are so important, especially when you get above 100 ASINs. It can be too much to handle manually. That's why getting the help of an AI to get you the buy box more often is a game changer. Now, if you're ready to make money right away with little investments, let's not hesitate. Let's go out, find those products, and send them into Amazon right away. And if you need more information on how to go and prep those products to go into Amazon, just press on the screen right now. And if you haven't, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.